What's up, YouTube? It's 36996 coming back to you with another video today. We're going to do an unboxing. I haven't done one of these in quite a while. I decided to jump on the hype train of the Amazon Alexa. They have the Echo Spot, the Echo Dot, the Amazon Echo, and they have several other iterations. I would decide to go ahead and jump in with both feet. I got the Echo Spot. Little extra added functionality with the screen and all that. So we're gonna unbox it, see what we get, and hook it up and see how it works. All right, these retail for about $129 at your local retailer, Best Buy, Walmart, whatever you have near you. Let's see what we got. Okay, we got a little slip cover here. Just a little bit of information on there, some in the back. I don't know if I can get a focus out of that. Okay, no matter. I mean, it's just stuff to try to get you to buy it while you're in the store. Got a nice box here. It's got the Amazon logo on it. If you ever ordered anything from Amazon, those envelopes all have it on. You'll recognize it. Let's see here. The box is pretty heavy. Feels well made. Okay, we're gonna spin it around. We got a security type sticker on here. I guess they'll know if you've opened it or not. So we're going to go ahead and peel that off. Okay, we'll just stick that right here for now. Alright, so let's open it up. I'm a little excited. Okay, so what do we got here? Alright. Contents of the box. Okay, obviously we have the Echo Spot. Okay, it's a nice little, good sized ball, about the size of my fist. It's got a good weight to it. It feels good. It has a nice texture. We got 3 buttons on the top here. Looks like a volume up, volume down, and possibly a mute button of some sort. Okay, let's see. We turn it around here. On the back, we have some inputs. It looks like maybe a power jack. It has this little power thing and what looks to be like a headphone speaker jack. It does have its own built-in speaker. It's got a rubberized bottom for non-slip, which as you can see doesn't slide very well, so that's good. It looks to be that there is a camera on the front right here at the top. Nice little screen. I'd say it's probably about 4 inches, 3.5, 4 inches across. If anything, you make a nice little alarm clock, right? Alright, let's see what else we got in the box here. Not much in there. Okay, so there's the box. Not much in there. We're just going to go ahead and put this to the side. Put the cover back on it. Okay, so I can't get that in the shot right now, but oh well. Okay, what do we got here? We got a power adapter. Okay, so it's a proprietary standalone power adapter. It's not like your cell phone where you just plug it into a power block, so that's cool, I guess. Just a little holder. We got some books with some instructions. Let's see. Alexa skills, calling and messaging. So I guess you can tell it to make phone calls for you. You got voice shopping. You got audible.com. I do not own an Alexa. I've seen them work, used before, but I've never used one. So, okay, here's a little like getting started instructional pamphlet. Tells you where to plug it in, set up your Wi-Fi and all that. So we'll start with that. I'm gonna have to plug this thing in and fire it up and see what happens. Okay, so let me go ahead and get this plugged in, and we'll turn the dot around, let you look at it. Alright, let me go ahead and get this plugged in, and, oh, wait, is it on? Oh, no, it's actually the reflection from my computer screen. You see that there. I thought it was on. So anyway, let me plug this in, we'll be right back, alright? And we'll fire this bad boy up. Okay, we're back. I just ran an extension cord. I'll have to do a more permanent setup when I decide exactly where I'm going to put this. So, got the power jack. You got your, looking at the wrong screen your power pin there, so let's just go ahead and plug that in. Let's see what happens here. Alright. Oh, we got something here. Let me go ahead and close this down. So I'm getting, you see Darth Vader on my other screen there. Alright, we got the Amazon Echo. Alright. Oh, you hear that? Made like a little noise to let you know it's coming.
Hello,
out.
your Echo Spot is ready for setup.
Okay, so let's just go through the menus here. Looks like you got English, English United Kingdom, Dutch. I'm gonna go with English United Kingdom just because.
Hello.
Oh yeah, that sounds cool. Alright, so it's found my network. I'm going to go ahead and put my network password in. I'm not telling you guys. Hopefully that's the right password. Okay. So now it's going to ask you for your Amazon account. I'm going to go ahead and put that information in. The keyboard is actually pretty easy to use, surprisingly. Works pretty much like a your cell phone. It would be nice if I actually used the correct password. Okay, I've typed it wrong twice now, but I think that's my fault, not the device. Okay, here we go. That seems to be right. Okay, so it's got my my information. It says welcome. I don't know if I can get a focus on that. Anyway, it says welcome by tapping yes, that's me. Yada yada yada. Just verify who you are. Language mismatch. Setting does not match your Amazon account. As a result, Alexa may not always understand what you said. I'm just going to say continue because I took the English one. So we're going to go, and then it's setting my time zone. And we're going to name it. So just name it Mike's Echo Spot. They have Michael, but I go by Mike most of the time. So we're just going to go ahead and change that. I should name it something really cool, but maybe later I'll come up. If you want to put some suggestions in the comments of what I can name it. I've seen people like naming their devices like FBI van number 22 or something. I guess to try to freak people out. Okay, so we got a name for the dot. It'll show up on the network. Checking for updates. Okay, so let's see what we got here.
Introducing Amazon Echo Spot. A stylish, compact Echo with a screen that's designed to fit anywhere, like on your office desk or nightstand. Alexa helps you do more with your voice. Alexa, what's on my calendar today?
Today, there are 2 events. At 8 a.m., there's a call with Grandma, and at 4 p.m., there's Ben's soccer game.
Use room-to-room calling to check in on the family. Alexa, drop in on the kitchen. And now, you can easily call most numbers in the US, Canada, or Mexico from your Echo device to their home or mobile phone at no additional cost. Alexa, call Grandma's home phone.
Calling Grandma's home phone.
Ready for some music? Just ask for a song, artist, or genre from your favorite music service. And with multi-room music, you can play your favorite songs on supported Echo devices in different rooms. Alexa, play Walk the Moon on the Bedroom Echo.
Playing songs by Walk the Moon on the Bedroom Echo.
You can automate your smart home using the Alexa app. After setting up your compatible devices, just create a routine that will help you do multiple things with one phrase. For example, say, Alexa, good night, to lock the front door and turn off the downstairs lights. Then, set a music alarm to wake you up. Alexa, wake me up at 7 a.m. tomorrow with Sia.
Alarm set for 7 a.m. tomorrow to Sia.
With a growing selection of clock faces and tens of thousands of skills and counting, Alexa is always getting smarter. Explore skills in your Alexa app or ask, Alexa, recommend some skills. To get a list of things to try, just ask, Alexa, what can I say? And when you want to go back to the home screen, say, Alexa, go home. Enjoy your new Echo Spot.
Okay, so that was the intro. Okay, Echo better with music, playing a song for just $3.99 a month. I'm gonna say no thanks because I have Prime, so I'm pretty sure that comes with Prime. I'm not sure.
Your Echo Spot is ready.
Okay, so there's the clock. It's already set. It's giving me weather. So what if I do this? Alexa, what's the weather gonna be like tomorrow?
Here's the forecast for tomorrow in Dover. Look for showers, with a high of 41 degrees and a low of 31 degrees.
Okay. So there's the weather. Alexa, what time is The Walking Dead playing?
I can't find cinemas near Dover playing Dead Man Walking today.
Oh, okay, so I guess you have to be a little more specific. Alexa, what time does The Walking Dead play on AMC?
Sorry, I can't find film information with this kind of time request yet.
Okay, so I guess you can't check television times. I'll have to look into that. I've never used Alexa, so it's a learning process for me too. I have a friend who is an Alexa geek. He's just got his whole house wired, so I'm sure I can get tips from him. And I'll pass them on to you. Well, I mean, that's pretty much it for the unboxing. It's just an unboxing video. I will do a review in a couple of days once I... Okay, so how do you get back to... Alexa, go home. Alexa, clock. Okay, so I don't know how to use this yet, so I will learn a little more, and I will come back to you in about a week or so with the review of what I think about it, if I'm going to keep it. If not, I will return it. Maybe we'll try Google Home if I'm not happy with the Alexa. But thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos. Got a lot more coming up. Some new things planned. We're going to diversify the channel. We're going to do some live game streams, some videos, some tips and tricks, some more unboxing videos. Just whatever. I'm having fun with it. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and we'll catch you next time. It's 36996. See you later.